Hi and good morning. I'm Dr. Amit. I'm a plastic surgeon and director founder of Divine Cosmetic Surgery. This video is going to be about an interesting topic, the designer vagina or the female intimate plastic surgery. Now, in the current times, beauty is everywhere, and with the advent of large scale advertising on media and Instagram, where there's nothing hidden from anybody now, so many women now look for beauty down below. The intimate areas have been a taboo, very rarely discussed, very rarely thought of, but that's changing. I think one of the biggest reasons for that has been Pinterest and Instagram, where pictures and small videos are catching on so big, and Instagram is already a sensation. And that has allowed a lot of women to explore options of female intimate procedures, and we are seeing a very large rise in the number of queries and number of patients who want to undergo such procedures. So let's understand what are the options that we have and what are the things that women normally ask for. I've titled this as designer vagina because we can literally create a design of the vagina, literally create a beautiful looking female intimate area. So let's move ahead. Some of the common things that are asked by patients: one, hymen repair or hymenoplasty, vagina tightening. I'm going to talk about these in a little more detail in a while. Then labia minora surgery, which is also called labiaplasty. Labia majora surgery, which is the outer lips of the vagina. Clitoris piercing, O shots and G shots. So we're going to now move on this. And hymen repair, hymenoplasty, this is basically in a way restoring the innocence of the patient. Some patients have premarital sex. I've had patients who've been exploited by relatives when they were young, rapes, failed marriages, divorces, and our innovative procedures now lead to 100% assurance of bleeding. I use something called as a flap repair technique. It's a double layer technique, and I use thick vagina tissues to basically create the hymen, and that leads to 100% breakages and bleeding when sexual penetration has happened. So that's very useful for a lot of women undergoing marriage. Then labia, a large number of women have inner labia, which is the labia minora, which are very big. They feel uncomfortable, so we correct that loose labia repair. There are a number of techniques to do it. Looseness can be due to repetitive sex, or it could be there for a long time as well. The problem, it causes wetness in the garments. Patients feel uncomfortable, especially nowadays when there's a lot of enhanced sexual activity, when we see movies and all. So patients get inspired to do some of the moves shown in the movies, and then they feel uncomfortable with the labia. They feel it gives an unaesthetic look. We do what is called as a Barbie doll procedure, and there's also the conventional procedures, which are basically meant, and as you can see in the video, we basically convert the labia, which is a little big, into smaller and more beautiful looking labias. Then vagina tightening can happen post pregnancy deliveries, inadequate sensation during sex. Then patients sometimes have urine flow when they laugh or sneeze. The partner is not happy with the sexual experience. Sometimes patients want a second marriage, or they want to start again in their life. When families are complete, the surgery itself takes about 45 minutes to an hour, and we discharge the patient same day. There's no rest, they can get back to activity, and sexual activity only starts after 3 to 4 weeks. Labia majora, we plump up the outer labia with fat injections or fillers. So it gives a good grip during sexual activity and looks much more aesthetic. It is often combined together with labia minora surgery. Now, this is very interesting. Clitoris piercing. Basically, for enhanced sexual experience, there are various ways of doing it. It takes about 10 minutes to do. And these are some of the ways where people like to do clitoris piercing. The idea sometimes is to make it more aesthetic. There are people who like body piercings, and then there are various ways of doing clitoris piercing. So this definitely, during sexual activity, it enhances clitoris stimulation and enhances the sexual experience. This is something which is a big favorite of mine. O shots, we use patients' own PRP to enhance the sexual experience, and patients often come back and say they've had explosive orgasms during sexual activity, and this has been something very, very interesting indeed. Takes only about 5 minutes to do. And G shot, little controversial. but this is basically to increase the friction, increase the size of the G spot, and this can be done under local anesthesia. We inject a combination of fillers and PRP to increase the size of the G spot, so that increases the friction and an enhanced sexual experience. So if you want to get in touch with me, there are numbers given on this video. You can get in touch with us or my team, and I'm sure we'll be able to help you create the perfect designer vagina.